Hi guys, welcome back to my English video. Today I will talk about the topic natures. Let's start together. My name is Thành. My full name is Đỗ Thị Thành. I am 19 years old. My birthday is on September 18th. I am a second year student at Hanoi Industrial Textile Garment University. I was born in Taipei, but now I live in Hanoi. I like listening to music and reading books. There are many people in my city, so it is very noisy. My house is next to park. Every evening I like walking with my friends. The park has many bugs, colorful flowers, and a lot of trees. I have friend. Her name is Theo. She loves painting. She likes to draw pictures of Bắc Hà Park. She often sits for hours drawing them. The pictures she draws are very beautiful. I really like the pictures she draws. How about you? Please tell me about it. Thank you for listening to my English video.